Hi everybody! With this video we'll show you how to install the Wi-Fi module and which are its features and functionalities. We already removed the side cover and slid off the glass a little bit. So now we can start opening the plastic packages that contain the Wi-Fi module and the battery. The battery is a rechargeable one that doesn't need to be replaced, and it's useful to supply the module in case of a power interruption. The Wi-Fi module, instead, is a module with a flash memory on which is loaded the program. It is possible to restore the default settings simply pressing this key for a few seconds. This can be useful in order to avoid malfunctions and to avoid sending the lamp to the assistants. You should remember that the lamp will emit a confirmation flash, so pay attention to the eyes when pressing this key. With the lamp off, we can insert first the battery into the proper slot. And after the Wi-Fi module, paying attention that you insert it correctly. So now we can turn on the lamp. The lamp will make a flash, so pay again attention to the eyes when you connect it to the power. On the Wi-Fi module, you can see a green LED that indicates the lamp is working well, and a blue LED that indicates the state of the Wi-Fi module. In this moment, the blue LED is flashing quickly. That means that the module is connected to a network that it created, and that it's ready to connect with a device. From now on, you have two different ways to manage the lamp through the app. The first way consists in connecting the lamp simply going with the phone in Wi-Fi settings, selecting the lamp to which we want to connect, and writing the password. Wait a few seconds for the connection. And now you can manage the lamp through our app. We can make an example. The second way consists in connecting the lamp to an external network, for example the Wi-Fi router at home. To do it, we must be connected with the phone to the lamp. In this case, we are already connected, and we must go again to the app. We have to wait. Now we have to click on the three spots at the top on the right. We select Set up Wi-Fi, and we write the name of the network to which we want to connect and the password. In this case, we are connecting to the business router. The LED first will emit a light that flames slowly, indicating that it's trying to connect to the network. The procedures could be repeated for more than one time, so we suggest to wait a few seconds. When the LED will become fixed, the Wi-Fi module will be connected. Now we have to connect to the same network to which we connected the lamp. So, same procedure. We come to Set up Wi-Fi. We insert network and password. In this case, however, we have already connected. So we can proceed opening again the app. OK. We click on the three spots at the top on the right and make Research Lamps. The app will find the lamp that is connected, and now we can manage it. We can make again an example. Hoping to have been useful. Bye bye.